When people talk about the most feared fighter jet in the world, the F-22 Raptor is always at the top of the list. But what truly makes the F-22 terrifying isn't just its speed or futuristic design. This aircraft fundamentally changed how the United States dominates the skies, often winning battles before enemies even realize they are under attack. The F-22 is not simply a fifth-generation fighter. It is the result of decades of strategic thinking, advanced engineering, and modern air combat doctrine combined into one machine. Since entering service, it has forced rival nations to rethink their entire Air Force strategies. In this video, we'll explore 7 rarely discussed facts about the F-22 Raptor, facts that explain why it is still considered the undisputed king of air dominance today. Number 1. Air dominance without dogfights. The F-22 was designed to destroy enemy aircraft before close-range dogfights ever begin. In combat exercises, the F-22 consistently achieved overwhelmingly favorable kill ratios. This advantage comes from its stealth, long-range sensors, and beyond-visual range missiles. The Raptor can detect, lock, and engage enemy jets long before it appears on their radar. In modern warfare, this allows air superiority to be secured rapidly and with minimal risk. What's often ignored is the psychological impact on enemy pilots. Many air forces understand that facing an F-22 means losing before a fight even starts. This aspect is rarely discussed publicly because training results are not widely disclosed. Number 2. Stealth is more than invisibility. The F-22's stealth does more than hide it. It dramatically shortens the enemy's reaction time. Its angular airframe, radar-absorbent coatings, and internal weapons bays drastically reduce radar reflection. Enemy air defense systems often detect the F-22 too late to respond effectively. In combat, even a few seconds of delay can decide the outcome. What's rarely mentioned is that stealth forces enemies to keep their radars active longer, exposing their own positions. This strategic advantage is often overlooked because it sounds too technical for public discussion. Number 3. Supercruise changed attack patterns. The F-22 can fly at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, a capability known as supercruise. Flying supersonic without afterburners reduces fuel consumption and infrared visibility. This allows the F-22 to penetrate enemy airspace, strike, and exit quickly. For military planners, this creates unmatched flexibility in timing and positioning. What many ignore is how supercruise makes attacks harder to predict. Speed isn't just about performance. It's a strategic tool rarely discussed outside military circles. Number 4. Sensor fusion ahead of its time. The F-22 combines all sensor data into a single, unified display for the pilot. Radar, infrared sensors, and intelligence inputs are automatically processed and prioritized. Instead of managing multiple screens, pilots see a clear tactical picture. This reduces workload and accelerates decision-making during combat. What's often forgotten is that this concept became the foundation for later fighter designs. The real revolution of the F-22 isn't just its airframe, it's its digital brain. Number 5. Not just an air-to-air fighter. Despite its reputation, the F-22 is also capable of precision ground attack missions. With precision-guided munitions carried internally, the F-22 can strike high-value ground targets while remaining stealthy. This makes it ideal for the opening phase of conflicts, when enemy defenses are still intact. What's rarely discussed is how this flexibility reduces the number of aircraft needed per mission. The public often overlooks this because the F-22 is commonly labeled as a pure dogfighter. Number 6. Small numbers, massive impact. The F-22 fleet is relatively small, yet its strategic impact is enormous. Each F-22 delivers capabilities far beyond traditional fighters. A single squadron can control vast airspace, giving commanders maximum effect with limited assets. What's often ignored is the F-22's role as a deterrence weapon. Sometimes, its mere presence is enough to prevent escalation, something the public rarely notices. Number 7. Redefined global fighter design. The F-22 forced other nations to rethink how fighter jets are built. After the F-22 entered service, countries worldwide began pursuing stealth, sensor fusion, and supercruise technologies. This proves the F-22 isn't just a weapon. it set a global standard. What many miss is that the F-22 influences air forces even where it never flies. Its true impact lies in how it reshaped long-term military thinking. The F-22 Raptor is often described as expensive, complex, and limited in numbers, but those labels miss the bigger picture. The true value of the F-22 is not measured by how often it flies into combat, but by how effectively it prevents battles from happening in the first place. Its presence alone reshapes enemy planning, restricts airspace, and forces rival powers to think twice before challenging U.S. air superiority. Even decades after its first flight, the F-22 remains a benchmark that few aircraft can genuinely rival. It represents a moment in history where technology, strategy, and air combat philosophy aligned perfectly. And while newer fighters continue to emerge, the influence of the F-22 is already locked into modern warfare. It didn't just win the skies, it redefined what winning the skies actually means.